A very good morning, my dears. Welcome back to Maths online class. In the previous class, we discussed fractions chapter. Today we will continue that chapter only. Everybody open your textbook page number 72, Roman number 5. Write each fraction in figure. Everyone open your textbook page number 72, Nana. Write each fraction in figure. 3/5. How to write 3/5? 3/5. 3/5. Next, second one, 5/10. 5/10. 5/10. 5/10. 9/11. 9/11. So 9 write as the place of numerator, 11 write as the place of denominator. 8/17. 8/17. 8/17. 13/19. So 13 write as the place of numerator, 19th write down the place of denominator. 12/17. 12 write numerator and 17th write as the place of denominator. 12/17. Let's go to another Roman. Write the fraction if numerator is 5, denominator is 8. Children, where we write numerator? We have to write up. Numerator we have to write up. So numerator is 5. Denominator is 8. So read as 5/8. Second one, numerator is 7. Denominator is 19. So we have to write this 7/19. Next, third one, numerator is 4. Denominator is 10. Numerator is 4. Denominator is 10. We have to write here fraction 4/10. Numerator is 6, denominator is 12. Numerator is 6, denominator is 12. So 6/12. Dear children, now let us discuss one more new topic, equivalent fractions. What is equivalent fraction? When we multiply numerator and denominator both numbers, multiplying same number, we have to get equivalent fraction. Look here 1/2. Two models are there. First model I will explain after. Then second model I will explain next. 1/2. 1/2 here given. Multiplying both numerator and denominator, say given fraction the same number. Multiplying numerator and denominator, multiplying same number. 2/1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Next, 1/2. 1/2 into 3/3. 3 1s are 3, 2 3s are 6. So therefore 1/2 equivalent fractions are, what are 1/2 equivalent fractions? 1/2 equivalent fractions are 2/4 and 3/6. This is the model number 1. Next, model number 2. We can get equivalent fraction by dividing both numbers. Here we have to multiplying both numerator and denominator. Here dividing both numerator and denominator same amount of number. For example, 24 divided by 4, 48 divided by 4. When we divide this 24, 4 6 are 24. Here we have to get 6, 4 12s are 48. This like when we divide both numerator and denominator same number, This is the model 2. Next, again one more time we have to divide. Divided by 2, divided by 2. Divide both numbers, numerator and denominator. 6 divided by 2, 3. 12 divided by 2, 6 are 12. So here 6. Therefore, 24 by 48 equivalent fractions are, first 6 by 12 we have to get, then 3 by 6. So these three are equivalent fractions. Here we have to division method, here we have to multiplying method. Which one is easy, then that only you have to follow. Okay? Everyone open your textbook page number 75. Here write the fraction for the shaded portion. Here first one, write the fraction for the shaded portion. Here given one shaded circle, how to write fraction shaded portion? So how many circles here shaded? 1. So 1 write as the place of numerator. Total number of circles, how many are there? 4. So 4 write down. Next, is equal to, here in this all these circles, how many circles are shaded? 2. 2 by total circles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both fractions are same, because when we cancel 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 1 by 4 only we have to get. So that's why here they kept is equal to. Next, here how many boxes shaded in this picture? 1, 2. So shaded number of boxes write as the place of numerator. Total boxes write the place of denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 by 5. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes write as the place of numerator, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 write as the denominator. Okay, 2 by 5, 4 by 10. These two fractions also equivalent fraction. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. When we cancel this fraction, we have to get 2 5 5. Okay, 2 by 5. Third one. How many shaded triangles here? 1, 2, 3. So where we write 3 here? We have to write as the place of numerator 3. Next, 3. Total number of triangles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 right numerator. Sorry, 5 right denominator. Read as 3 by 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangle shaded. Then write denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 by 10. Okay. Next, second one is circle the fractions which are equal to 1 by 4. Which are equal to 1 by 4. Children, we know already how to get equivalent fraction. When we multiply given fraction, denominator and numerator, when we multiplied same amount of number, numerator and denominator, when we multiplied same number, we get the equivalent fraction. First, here given 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So here we have to multiply same amount of number, numerator and denominator multiplied. Now when we multiply 1 by 1, we get same number only. Now 2 by 2. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. Okay, when we multiplied numerator and denominator same number, we get the equivalent fraction. So 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 8. Here the 2 by 8, so circle this fraction. Okay, circle this fraction. Next, 1 by 4 into 3 by 3. 1 by 4 into 3 by 3. 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. 3 by 12 also their given fraction, so circle it. Next, 1 by 4 into 4 by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Remember this, Nana. When we want to equivalent fraction, we have to multiply same amount of number. Numerator and denominator multiply same number. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Is there 4 by 16 given fractions? Yes, circle it, 4 by 16. Next, 1 by 4 into 5 by 5. 1 5s are 5, 4 5s are 20. 5 by 20 also they given fractions, so circle it. So, circle the fractions of which are equal to 1 by 4. 2 by 8, 3 by 12, 4 by 16, 5 by 20 fractions are equivalent fractions to 1 by 4. Next, third one is draw two diagrams to show that 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. Draw two diagrams. Here fraction given. How to draw diagram of given fraction? 1 by 2. How to write? Numerator. Total number of boxes are denominator. So, first you have to draw two boxes because given denominator 2 number is there, no. So, shaded portions, how many are there in the place of numerator? 1. So, color it. Fill up this box. This picture shows to fraction 1 by 2 is equal to, here given 4 as the place of denominator. So, we have to draw totally 4 boxes and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have draw totally 4 boxes. How many boxes? Fill up it now. Here place of numerator what number given? 2. So, now fill up this 2 boxes because in the place of numerator 2 only there, no. So, this is write as the fraction 2 by 4. This like we have to write, draw the pictures of given fractions, Nana. Remember this. First, how many boxes they want? 2. So, draw the 2 boxes. In the place of numerator 1 only there, no. So, fill up this boxes, shaded this box. Next, in this fraction 4. Total box, draw the total box is 4 and the place of numerator 2 is there, no. So, that's why we have to fill up these 2 boxes only. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. These 2 also equivalent fractions. Why? Because when we cancel these 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So, here also we get 1 by 2. So, both these 2 fractions equivalent. Next, second one is draw 2 diagrams to show that 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. Draw 2 diagrams to show that 2 by 3, 4 by 6. Okay, first, what number given in here? Denominator 3. So, whatever you take, divided into 3 parts. What picture you have to take, that only divided into 3. Circle, square, whatever it may be, divided into 3 parts. Because here denominator 3 is there, no. Total number of total parts are 3 and shaded parts are 2. As the place of numerator 2 given there, no. So, shade this 2 boxes. Because numerator 2, that's why we have to fill up these 2 boxes. So, how to write fraction this picture? 2 by 3. Okay. Next, 4 by 6. divided this picture 6 parts because here denominator 6 is there, no. So 2, 4, 6 divided into 6 parts. How many boxes shaded now? Now we have to shade 4 boxes because here given numerator 4 is there, no. So shade 4 boxes. 2, 3, 4. So write this box fraction 4 by 6. When we cancel this fraction, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. When we cancel, we have to take same table. Numerator and denominator we have to take same table. When we want to equivalent fraction, we have to multiply numerator and denominator same number. Okay? Remember that trick. 2 by 3. Okay? Both are equal. This like we have to draw the given fractions to given diagrams. Fourth one is write the first 5 equivalent fractions of 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 3 by 4. First we have to find out 1 by 2 fractions of equivalent fractions of 1 by 2. Write the first 5 equivalent fractions. When we multiply denominator and numerator both number, same amount of number, we get equivalent fraction. First they are asking 5 equivalent fractions. So 1 by 2 into 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Next 1 by 2 into 3 by 3. Same amount of number, numerator and denominator. We have to write same amount of number. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Next, whatever number it may be, you have to take same amount of number. 1 by 2 into 4 by 4. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 1 by 2 into 5 by 5. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. 1 by 2 into 6 by 6. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12. So, therefore, 1 by 2 equivalent fractions are, first one is 2 by 4 and second one is 3 by 6. Third one is 4 by 8, 5 by 10, 6 by 12. Remember Nana, when we write equivalent fraction, we have to multiply same amount of number, numerator and denominator. Then we have to get equivalent fraction. This like you have to find out. This like we have to find out equivalent fractions. Second one, 1 by 3. 1 by 3, 2 by 2 into 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 twos are 6. Next, 1 by 3 into 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Next, 1 by 3 into 4 by 4. 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12. Now, what fraction we have to take? Same amount of number. Now, 7. 1 7s are 7, 3 7s are 21. They are asking first 5, no? So that's why we have to 2, 3, 4. Next 5. 1 by 3 into 5 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 3 5s are 15. Next 1 by 3 into 6 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. So 1 by 3 equivalent, first 5 equivalent fractions are 2 by 6, 3 by 9, 4 by 12, 5 by 15, next 6 by 18. These are the equivalent fractions of 1 by 3. Third one is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 into 2 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. Next 2 by 2 into 3 by 3. 2 3s are 6. Sorry, here 5. 5 3s are 15. 2 by 5 into 4 by 4. 2 4s are 8. 5 4s are 20. Next 2 by 5 into 5 by 5. 2 5s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Next 2 by 5 into 6 by 6. 2 6 are 12. 5 6 are 30. Five 6 are 30. So therefore 2 by 5 equivalent fractions are 4 by 10, 6 by 15, 8 by 20, 10 by 25, 12 by 30. This like we have to find out equivalent fractions. Fourth one, write your homework book, Nana. Everyone send your homework book properly. Send your homeworks properly. Then notes and homework I will put them absent. Thank you.